All right, so git always sign off uh, controls the sign off flag for all commits. So what is this thing? The basically a sign off in Git is just a little message that appears at the end of the commit saying sign off by John Doe and then email, right? Now, why does this exist? The sign off was a feature that was originally introduced into Git for legal reasons, because they needed a way to create a chain of certification. But now, it's just a message that appears on the commit, identifying someone and their email. So people use it for various reasons. And this is what the setting controls. You either always sign off on all the commits you make, or you don't. I don't find this to be particularly useful for me, so I'm going to leave this one as false.